All right, we're gonna try a new oil bleed procedure to see if the Fiat will start. So I'm gonna hold the gas pedal right to the floor, which basically triggers the injectors to not fire, which is typical of regular fuel injection systems if you think, you know, it might be flooded or whatever. So we'll do this. Get a booster on there right now. Oh, clutch in. Okay, and then we're just gonna let it sit. And then we're gonna try it again. We have to do this up to 8 times, and hopefully we start to build some compression. Fun stuff. Apparently, guys who leave their Fiat 500s and their Chrysler Multi-Airs sit for too long will have this problem. Now, what made it stop, I have no idea.
Yeah,
it's still a mystery.
Something else.
There was a stumble there that I felt.
Yeah, well, it's done that a couple of times. It kind of almost fired maybe one cylinder once or something.
Well, now that we're not filling them with fuel, it might go a lot better.
Yeah, maybe.
And apparently the starters like to burn on them if you crank the crap out of them, so you don't want to keep turning and turning and turning. You just let it rest, marinate. Up to 8 times, guys. Well, if it has a little bit of gas in the cylinders, and now we've cut fuel to it.
Yeah, so it's
trying
flooding it with air, so it'll have a proper mixture.
Get rid of it, yeah. It is going to receive some regular maintenance, spark plugs and all that other wonderful stuff. But it's about 4 or 5 now.
I think so.
What a thing that is. You think they could have put an anti-drain back valve somewhere?
Yeah.
It's got a sport button, so you get all your 100 horsepower. You don't want to cheat yourself. That was supposed to be the floor. And fog light button.
Oh yeah. I didn't notice. Is this one? Do they all have fog lights or?
No, the base model does not have fog lights. This has got nicer seats. This, I believe, I'm not sure because I haven't seen this work yet, but I believe that is dual climate control, or it's heated seats. I'm not sure because there's 2 of them, or this is heat and that's air. I don't know. We're gonna figure that out.
Maybe that's temperature, that's fan, or I don't know.
This has got Sirius radio with the Bose system and all the little, you know, fancy dinkleberries. The pop was very basic. The one I had previous was very basic, and I wanted it basic because that to me was what a Fiat 500 was. Now this is nice. It's got some extra stuff. The seats are comfortable. I could definitely drive. I drove the other one to Florida and back from Ottawa, which is about a 1,000 mile, 1,100 mile trip to Cocoa Beach and back, and I didn't have problems with the other seats, but these are better. So I mean, like, this would be no trouble to drive to Toronto, and it'd be really comfortable. No trouble driving to Florida if you want to. So
it definitely is a comfy car for what it is.
For what it is it's easy to get in and out of.
Yeah,
the doors are very big. You can be very tall, no issue. To the floor. There was a hop there.
Yeah, so it is getting spark, fuel, and air at some point.
Yeah. That sounds a little good.
What would that be?
Tie rods.
Fun.
Something like that. Steering rack. You know, if you want to think about things that are less fun.
Yeah.
More than likely tie rods. Could be inner or other tie rods. Could be nothing. Could need to be driven. now we're gonna try it.
All right.
And nothing. All right, so that's something.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go and look and see if I got any oil that circulated a little bit there in the oil cap, and then we're gonna go back inside. Is this not working?